Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan Ramangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Rangba kejelau Konrad Sangma haka kendai terik ubenai naitung arajar arpuwei ula pentip baka sorkar kala datung ya ke kenhon tokit kabalai loy ne ke independent inquiry kaban sa tokit banyak bin pabin halor ke jingkeno baka don ke jersey bamsap hapo ke office terekam jong ke Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited. Haba yakren bat kilat pathai khubor Menteri Rangba ulia tho bayagani ke kenhon tokit ke sorkar kala dep bantung nadu kalai potrik ubenai jilleu arajar arpuwei balap tharu bagani ke komiti kan sedang no ban yakendo no la kumno haka lasngi ublai jong ke khat artarik menta ubnai naitung arajar arpuwei.
Regarding the independent inquiry for matters relating to MECL, the committee has been set up on the 30th of June 2021, which means about 9 days back. And this is a committee that will be headed by Justice Ifaqat Ali Khan, who is a retired judge of the Allahabad High Court, Shri Manoj Kumar, who is a retired IAS officer, and Shri Shushil Kumar, who is a retired executive director of the REC as a technical member. This committee has been asked to have its initial meeting, first meeting on Monday itself. So we are expecting that they will have their first meeting virtually on Monday or on Tuesday. And necessary arrangements like office space, place to stay, staff, all the necessary arrangements have been made. And we are expecting that this committee should be able to start its work as early as next week. And the first meeting, I'm told, is most probably going to take place next week on Monday or on Tuesday. At the same time, I have also issued an order to constitute a single member independent inquiry into the social welfare matter regarding the rice and the quality of the food products, which was raised in different quarters. So the Chief Secretary has been asked to find out names of of retired judges of high courts, so that we can select a one-member committee, and we expect that this committee, once it's formed, should be able to submit the report to us within 3 months' time. Similarly, even the committee on the MECL has also been asked to submit the report within 3 months. This committee is completely independent in nature, and MECL is an autonomous body, and therefore from the government side there is absolutely no interference even in the day-to-day functioning. So therefore MECL functions as an autonomous body, and therefore there is no need or any question of removing the Power Minister from his portfolio at this point in time. And we're very clear that the independent inquiry has been given a stipulated time to complete it. And it is completely, as I said, mentioned, that it is completely independent in nature. And we are waiting for the report of this committee, and then we'll see how to move things forward in the future. So we have set up an independent inquiry that has been set up or being headed by an independent and a retired judge. And this kind of demand is completely undermining the independent committee that has been put up. So therefore, this committee should be allowed to function, should be allowed to submit its report. CAG report is something that has to be tabled in the House, and only once it's tabled in the House, then it becomes a public document. These are procedures that take place where CAG writes to departments. It happens in every department. It's not just MECL. If they write to tourism department, they'll write to mining department, they'll write to transport department, they write to everybody, and then they seek for clarifications. They say that according to us, this is what we find. Please clarify if this is correct or not. And based on that, the departments write. So therefore, actually this is a communication between two departments, should not have come out, and it's not appropriate that it should have been out in the press also. So this is not a very healthy trend, because it really gives the wrong picture of things where, as I said, where a clarification is being sought, and based on the clarification one leads to a conclusion, is not at all fair, I feel. So therefore, as I said, like these letters and information are sought from every department that is concerned, every department. It just so happens that somebody, I guess, leaked it out or got it information from whatever source. But as I said, it's a report. It's not a report. It's a clarification has been sought, and accordingly, MECL, mining, transport, whichever department will clarify to the thing, and then it is placed in the House. So that's the procedure that's followed, and we will see. We'll try to find out how this happened, why it happened, and we can, inquire into this matter also.